Okay.
Right here?
Yeah, like that. Take a picture. Like that.
No, I'm doing movie mode right now. Yeah, I'm doing
64!
Oh, how old? 64?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Ma, you're 46.
All right.
46,
Are you
but
gonna?
they want to make me 44 or 44.
Okay, you gonna make a wish?
Yeah.
Okay, I want. Now I got you now.
Yeah?
Like you're on. I want to see if you blow out those two candles.
Alex, help her grandma. It's just so old. You know.
Mhm.
Alex, blow the candle.
You gonna blow out the candle?
Yeah, Alex, help me, honey.
You
I'm
ready?
94 years old.
You gonna help Grandma?
Yeah. Go ahead, Alex. Ooh.
Yay!
Happy birthday. Okay.
All right. What do you gonna? You got a plate and a knife?
Oh, no nice, no place.
Well, no cake.
Hey.
Yeah, you really 64?
No, 45.
You don't know how old.
No, 46.
46.
Then what? You put it backwards.
Backwards?
No, you're backwards. Here, let's change it.
Who's backwards?
Like that.
46.
You're
I
40,
am
46?
46. Yeah.
How old are you?
Jenny.
Yo, you can't get away from me.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you, Doc. Thank you for making the cake.
Well, don't thank me until you eat it. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah, it's
You gonna?
tasting good.
You gonna get the whole? Okay.
I see you trying it.
It's so good.
It looks good. I'll sit down and have a little bit in a moment.
Okay.
Is it moist still?
Yeah, it's moist.
It tastes good?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, well, happy birthday.
Thank you, everybody.
What about Alex? Alex,
Jenny, que
Tell-
cante happy birthday,
tell-
dice.
tell Mommy you want some cake.
Happy birthday.
Cumpleaños a ti.
Alex, you gonna say happy birthday? Sing happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you.
Ah.
Es para que te veas.
Gracias, si apenas me he tomado una.
Eso es lo único que toman.
Your body's
Es para que te ilumine la cara.
Jenny, stop.
Ya te voy ahora.
Oh, boy,
Okay.
ya.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, Alex wants some cake.
Está bien bueno el queque.
Yeah, he wants some.
Very good. Taste it.
Ay, de qué.
¿Para dónde vas?
Alex,
Vas a manejar tomando rápido.
you want some cake?
a cake?
Cake.
¿Dónde vas?
A cake.
A cake right there.
What is?
You're gonna have to sit next to Grandma.
Hey, here, papá. Ay, solo yo estoy tragando mi pobre angelito.
You gotta get over.
You want the cake?
Sit next to Grandma.
Come on, darling. Máximo, ¿quieres? Come on, Alex. Bring your plate, Alex.
And then
That's yours? No,
Maximo, you gonna be in the movie?
Uh,
You don't wanna be a movie star?
nah.
You gonna get some cake?
no le gustó la vaina.
Okay.
Pizza napkins, honey.
What do you want?
Napkins
Where are they?
in the kitchen.
No.
No, you
Jenny
say
has
no?
it. No, Jenny has it. Is that good, Alex?
Yes, it's very
You
good.
gonna have cake, Max?
You want some, Maximo? Yeah, it's so good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I know, but
A Alex no le gustó el pineapple, Jenny.